thought it would be great to share some really fast barbecue recipes, whether you're having people over, going to someone's cookout, or just craving barbecue food at home alone. It happens to me all the time. I'm starting with a berry cheesecake icebox pie. Wow, so much deliciousness and very, very easy to throw together. So I just whipped some cream, and I have some things to add to this mixture. Sweetness in the form of powdered sugar, and then a whole block of cream cheese because this is a cheesecake icebox pie. And for a little hint of vanilla, I'm gonna add vanilla bean paste, which truly is amazing. So I'm gonna use the mixer just to carefully mix in the powdered sugar and the cream cheese. It won't take long to mix it together. This icebox pie is such a great summer recipe because you can make it ahead of time. It's very quick to throw together, and you can just park it in the fridge. And it's better if you do because then all the ingredients sort of meld and the whole thing is just divine. All right, so that's it for the cream cheese mixture. Very simple, no eggs or anything. And now for the berry mixture, I've just got a mix of raspberries and blackberries, and I'm gonna save some berries back to decorate the top of the icebox pie when I finish building it. And then I'm gonna zest a lemon and then add the lemon zest. Icebox pies are also great because you can change up the flavor. You can use whatever berries you want. I make strawberry icebox pies all the time. Can you tell I think about food a lot? I do. I admit it. Okay, that's it for the lemon zest. And then I'll squeeze the juice of half of the lemon into the berries. Now I want this mixture to be a little bit syrupy and saucy, so I'll add a couple of tablespoons of berry preserves. This is kind of a quick way to make a berry saucy mixture. Berry saucy. All right, that's it for the pretty berry mixture. I love the blackberries in this. They're so juicy and beautiful. So I am going to assemble the icebox pie. I'm using a loaf pan. I got a big piece of plastic wrap, and I put enough in it that I have sides that are overhanging. That's gonna come in handy soon. So I'm gonna start with a layer of graham crackers, and I'll just kind of break them up, overlap them, whatever I need to do to get a single layer in the bottom of this loaf pan. And cream cheese mixture, I'm gonna get about a quarter of this, and it goes right on the crackers. And I wanna spread it out so that it totally covers the first layer. And about a third of this berry mixture, which is getting juicier and juicier as it sits. Yum, yum. Berry desserts are definitely my favorite direction for desserts in the summertime. You don't have to be perfect about spreading out the berries, just kind of plop spoonfuls on the cream. And now I'm gonna do another layer just like that. Put one big graham cracker, some pieces. All right, more cream cheese mixture. Goodness gracious, this looks so good. And you get all that wonderful cheesecake flavor without having to do this complicated cheesecake process. More berries. Bear with me. Berry with me. Sorry. Oop. Okay. That's the second berry layer. So now I'm gonna do one last layer, and I'm gonna end with an additional layer of cookies and cream. So first, more crackers, more cream, the last of the berry compote, that final layer of crackers. So look at my berry cheesecake icebox pie. It's pretty much assembled. I just want to decorate the top with extra berries. Got blackberries and raspberries, and I usually don't try to orchestrate too much in terms of like the pattern of the berries. I just let them fall where they may. And pretty little sprigs of mint Okay, that looks so good. Now, the reason I have this overhang is partly because I want to just very lightly cover the cake. You don't want to wrap it tight and smush the topping. So now this needs to go in the fridge for 4 hours, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. It is very difficult to be patient during the 4 hours of chill time, but as I promised, you will be very, very glad you were patient. So the Icebox pie has been in the Icebox. I feel like the name should be updated to fridge pie because, you know, nobody calls them Iceboxes anymore. So here is part of the motivation for having this plastic wrap overhang. It allows you to lift the whole cake out and not mess up the cake in the process. Now, there's always this little sacrificial slice. Oh, okay, that's the first slice. That'll be my midnight snack later. All right, so I'm gonna get pretty generous with this. Let's see, oh, those graham crackers are perfectly soft. I still feel the tiniest bit of crunch, so they probably still have a really great texture. Get this onto a plate. Oh, wow. Okay, look at this. Really creamy layers. You can see the cookie in there. And honestly, some people serve their Icebox pies or Icebox cake with a spoon, so you could just scoop it out and serve it. It's not about being perfectly layered, but it is about being perfectly delicious. How beautiful, delicious, and easy can one dessert get? That was a rhetorical question, by the way.